Welcome to Atlantic Technological University, home to Ireland's newest degree in veterinary medicine and surgery. If you've ever dreamed of working with animals, protecting their health and supporting the people who care for them, this programme could be for you. A vet is more than a medical professional for animals. Vets protect food safety, public health and the environment. They support farmers, the equine industry, pet owners and rural and urban communities. If you want a career that combines science, problem solving and compassion, veterinary medicine is the path. At ATU, we know veterinary medicine means working in high-stakes environments, from emergency cases in practice to disease outbreaks that affect whole communities. That's why our 5-year Bachelor of Veterinary Medicine and Surgery, a Level 9 programme, is built differently. Through simulation, drills and peak performance training, you'll learn how to stay calm, think clearly and act decisively when it matters most. Placements are central to your journey. From your first year, you'll work with animals and health, building confidence and practical skills. You'll spend time in real veterinary practices and on farms, a complete and unique semester in ATU's Mount Bellew campus, immersed in Ireland's agricultural heartland. This combination of classroom learning, clinical practice and fieldwork prepares you not just as a vet, but as an all-round global health professional. As a graduate of ATU, you'll be day one ready, equipped to work in small animal, equine and farm practice, but also in public health, food security, research and One Health. You'll join a generation of veterinarians trained to meet the profession's biggest challenges: recruitment, retention, well-being, climate change and disaster response. Wherever your career takes you, you'll be ready to perform under pressure and make a difference, locally and globally. ATU's Veterinary Medicine and Surgery degree, preparing resilient, innovative veterinarians for Ireland and the world.